Hey lovely bunch, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing. As you can tell by the title of this video, this will be a short but sweet review on these. And these are the Pro Teeth Whitening strips, and they are with activated charcoal. I have used these on my TikTok before. If you have me on TikTok, you've seen that. But as I got gifted these, kindly enough, I thought I would do a short video on YouTube trying them out and showing you how to use them. So a bit of details of these guys. These are a UK based brand. They are formulated by UK dentists. These are peroxide-free, enamel-friendly, radiant smile and easy to use. One box is a 14-day treatment, so for best results, use for 14 days. I personally don't use whitening strips every day. I kind of build it around my skincare routine and face mask routine that I normally do on a Friday or a Saturday night, just to feel refreshed, feel a bit more pampered in a way. So this I do once a week. Definitely see a noticeable difference since using them. So they come in a box like this, in a small sachet like this. Open a sachet to reveal 2 whitening strips. Dry teeth with a towel. Place lower strip first, then place upper strip. And because these are charcoal activated, they are black. Most other ones are clear. The long top one is for your upper teeth, and the curved shaped ones are for your lower strip first, which is the curved one. So that's the lower one done, and you fold the flap behind so it catches the back. So just get it in the centre so it gets the main tooth that I've seen. And then you're going to go in with the top one. I've taken the strips off after 30 minutes. It does say it always leaves this charcoal residue, so all you've got to do is go and brush your teeth like you normally would, like I'm going to do, and I will be back. Okay, so I have brushed my teeth and reapplied my lipstick. And yeah, this is the end result. Again, like I said, I only do this once a week and I see results automatically. So if you're looking to do the treatment for 14 days straight, then your results are going to be even better. So I hope that you have enjoyed this short but sweet video. Give it a thumbs up if you have. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. I can't stop smiling. Bye guys.